Muscle car fans can finally breathe a sigh of relief. Dodge has officially brought back a gas-powered Charger, and while it may not have the legendary V8 roar we all dreamed of, it's a big step back toward the muscle car spirit. 17 months after the controversial launch of the electric Charger Daytona, which struggled to find a loyal audience, Dodge is rolling out the 2026 Charger Sixpack, a coupe that blends classic style with modern turbocharged performance. Instead of a V8, the new six-pack models are powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane inline-six engine. While some purists may frown, this power plant delivers impressive numbers. The RT version produces 420 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque, starting at just $49,999 plus $1,995 destination, a full $9,600 cheaper than the electric Charger Daytona RT. For those seeking even more thrills, the Scat Pack variant turns things up to 550 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. While Dodge hasn't confirmed the RT's acceleration figures, estimates suggest around 4.8 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The Scat Pack? A blistering 3.9 seconds. Sure, the Daytona Scat Pack EV is marginally quicker, but its artificial exhaust notes can't match the raw, authentic soundtrack of the gas-powered models. Both RT and Scat Pack six-packs feature standard all-wheel drive with the ability to switch to rear-wheel drive for spirited driving or smoky burnouts, thanks to features like launch control and line lock. At freeway speeds, the front axle can disengage to improve fuel efficiency, proof that performance and practicality can coexist. Visually, the six-pack stays faithful to the aggressive design language introduced by its electric sibling. The wide stance, reportedly the widest hips of any passenger car on the market, is complemented by the 1968 Charger-inspired bodylines. The differences are subtle but significant. Instead of the Daytona's aerodynamic front grille pass-through, the six-pack sports a more traditional fixed nose, a slim cooling slot in the bumper, and a hood scoop. Around back, dual round tailpipes proudly display the Charger name. Inside, drivers are treated to a driver-focused cockpit with a 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster as standard, growing to 16 inches in the Scat Pack Plus. Other premium touches include an active sports exhaust, adaptive cruise control, and optional luxuries like a panoramic glass roof and Napa leather upholstery. The Scat Pack Plus also opens the door to packages like the Blacktop package for stealthy blacked-out trim or the Carbon and Suede package for a motorsport-inspired interior. The 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack lineup offers both two-door and four-door configurations, with the high-performance Scat Pack two-door leading the charge in dealerships later this year. Orders for the Scat Pack open on August 13th, while the RT and four-door Scat Pack will arrive in the first half of 2026. While it may not yet have the rumbling Hemi V8 that muscle car traditionalists are holding out for, the new Dodge Charger Sixpack is a bold move toward bringing back the gas-powered soul to Dodge's performance lineup. It's fast, aggressive, and unapologetically loud, just how a muscle car should be. For now, this twin-turbo straight-six beast might be the closest thing we have to the Charger we've all been waiting for.